Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can learn complicated topics faster and easier using Notebook LM. So just go to notebooklm.google.com and you'll be able to start creating your own notebooks. If you've ever used something like Claude projects before, this might seem a bit familiar. Basically, whenever you create a new notebook, you get to assign documents or files or pretty much anything as part of its knowledge base, or in this case, its source list. So as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and click on create new notebook. And let's say we're studying up for an exam. So let's say I'm just going to go ahead and pick a random topic. Going to go ahead and hit enter, and Notebook LM will start collecting some sources for me. So if you're a student and have your own textbooks, you can upload those as well instead of using sources from the internet. That way you get to choose exactly what content you're making your notebook about. So Notebook LM is a lot better when it comes to decoding information than some other AI tools. And that's because, or it will only create an answer based on the sources that you have added to the source list right here. So some of them might not have been able to add. So invalid URL, that's a fairly minor problem, which I will ignore for now. So now it's constructed our notebook. And as you can see, the economics and evolution of entrepreneurial innovation. So there's this small summary and some small suggested prompts and a few suggested prompts. These are questions that we can ask it, and it's going to formulate the answer solely based on these sources. So it makes it really great for studying. If we go ahead and look at our right-hand side, you can see there are also plenty of other features. You can make a quiz based on your sources, a mind map, a report, a slide deck, a video summary, an audio overview, flashcards, etc. So it's a really great way of managing dense and complicated information. If there's something I don't quite understand about this topic, I can go ahead and start typing out my question. So let's say, how do entrepreneurs create innovative ideas? Then go ahead and hit enter. It's going to skim through all of these sources and choose the best source and answer based on our question. Whenever it writes an answer as well, you can see there are numbers attached. You can just go ahead and mouse over, and this is going to show you what particular source it has created the answer from. Go ahead and click that event. It's going to show you the specific portion here on the left-hand side. So it's really reliable. There's barely any risk of any hallucinations, where other large language models might start creating false ideas and narratives. This one is completely grounded in the data that you feed it. You can also add some notes here at the right hand side. And this is just a great way of keeping your thoughts organized on the matter. So you can also do things like create a slide deck. So I'm going to go ahead and go take a look at what that looks like. I'm going to create a slide deck based on the data I've given it. So this shouldn't take any longer than a few minutes. So here's our finished slide deck. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it to look through it. So as you can see, it's really well made. There's a certain style it follows, and it keeps the theme consistent across all the slides. So it's pretty in-depth and pretty well constructed. So that's just scratching surface of what Notebook LM is capable of. Of course, there are other things that you can also do with it. You can also use it, for example, to manage your documents. Let's say you have a bunch of contracts you have to quickly go through. You can go ahead and upload it into a notebook, and you can start asking it questions about those contracts and just get your work done a lot faster. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.